welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for DTK Nail Supply. They are currently having a sale where you can get the DND polish, I know, for $5.75. It's regularly like $6 or maybe even $10, but you know, a sale is a sale. So I got 18 new polishes and I decided to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys because I see y'all been getting on me about not posting videos, but now that I have came to an agreement with my clients so that I can record their nails for my YouTube channel, I will be recording more videos. So now that that is out the way, I ordered 18 new colors and I mainly got like nudes and stuff and a few fun colors, and the total came out to be $115.50. So yeah, it was mainly the tax. Oh, I mean, not the tax, but the shipping that ran it up. But as for tax, they don't have any, which is amazing. So I just got the DND polishes because the DND polishes come with two. So I was like, you know, why not? You know, it doesn't come with two gel polishes. It comes with a gel and a regular polish. But, you know, I can always use the regular polish as well if I run out of the gel or if I do like ombre or something. So I'm going to be posting quite a few of these videos because every time that I want to buy some polish, I will be buying it. So look out for a few more of these videos in the future. But I thought this was the wrong stuff because as you can see, it says LDS, lavish dip system, and dip systems are acrylic. So I was like, did they give me the wrong package? But then once I looked at my receipt, I was like, okay, it can't be the wrong package. But so I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. And on my last DND polish haul, you guys were asking for a swatch video, so I am going to do a swatch video for these. So let me just get these all open. And since I didn't order enough to fill up all the space in the box, they put these little packing thingies. I used to love playing with those when I was younger, but yeah, I'm just go ahead and open all these up. So like I said, I did get a lot of nude colors because, you know, fall just goes perfectly with nude. And then of course everyone likes nude colors anyway. So I'm just going to put them out like this so you guys can see the colors that I got. Let's see. I'm still working on posting my updated full set video. I know I recorded it in October and it's now December going on. I mean, not December. November going on December. So, yeah. I feel kind of bad for not posting it, but recording voiceovers is not easy at all. I hate doing voiceovers. But I will try to get it out before the month is over with because everyone has been asking for it. So let me just put these in order. I'm also going to be doing a updated nail station tour as soon as I get my new table because I saw that someone asked for that. I'm just trying to get out a lot of videos that you guys actually want to see because who wants to sit and watch something that they don't even want to watch, basically. Alright, so here are all the colors that I got. They're all very, very pretty. Some are, what's the word, kind of, I really don't know the word. Basically, like, when you look at the name, you'll think it's something else, but seeing it in person, you're like, it looks nothing like what the name said. But anyway, I just got this really pretty lavender, a light pink, red. This is like, it says it's cool gray, and it's kind of gray, but it's very nude as well. But it's showing up pretty gray on camera. And then I got this color, which is also a nude, but it's like a peach tone nude. And then I got this color. It's like an olive color, but it looks very, very gray. I don't know what the gel looks like, so I'm just gonna look in here. But this packaging is so pretty. Like, it's so much better than the regular D&D packaging. But I'll just sit you guys right here so I can open this up. Okay. It's pretty olive, I guess. You know, it's not the olive that I'm used to, but I guess it's really pretty though. It's more of a gray tone olive color, but that's fine because I have this olive color that I have on now, which looks very, very just plain green, but it's actually olive. So put this back. All right, but yeah. So, like I said, I got a lot of nudes because who doesn't like nudes? Now, these two look very, very similar. Like in the packaging and the color. But that's fine. Because I'm pretty sure one is lighter than the other one. And then I just got all of these colors. I really, really, really like this color because it's gray. And then I got this very pretty green that looks like my room color. This very pretty chocolate brown. I'm so excited to use this. I made a chocolate colored acrylic, but it's like very dark and it looks black, so you know it's kind of pointless. And then I just got two fun pink colors because who doesn't like pink? So yeah, these are all the colors that I got. I am about to record the swatch video and also how I label my swatch sticks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.